Jessica, are you still in bed?
Maybe.
It is 9 o'clock.
9?
Yes, 9.
Oh, it's Saturday.
You looked worried for a second.
I thought I was late for work.
But you don't work today.
Exactly. No alarm, no work.
And no reason to get out of bed?
Now you understand.
So, is this how your weekend usually starts?
Pretty much.
Okay, now I want to hear about your whole weekend routine. What time do you usually wake up on Saturday?
Usually around 8:30 or 9.
That is much later than during the week.
Yes, I love slow Saturday mornings.
What do you do first?
Honestly,
Honestly,
I usually stay in bed for another 15 or 20 minutes.
doing what?
Sometimes I check my phone,
I knew it.
or I just lie there and enjoy the quiet.
What happens when you finally get up?
I open the curtains, drink some water, and wash my face.
Then breakfast?
Yes, but weekend breakfast is different.
How?
During the week, I eat quickly. On Saturday, I take my time.
What do you usually make?
Eggs, toast, fruit, and coffee.
There it is.
Coffee is part of the routine. On Saturdays, I usually wake up around 9. I like to take my time in the morning.
Okay, breakfast is finished. Do you go back to bed?
No, usually not.
Usually?
Mark,
Okay. What do you do next?
I usually clean a little.
What do you clean?
I make the bed, wash the dishes, and tidy the room.
Do you enjoy cleaning?
Not really.
Me neither.
But I feel better when everything is clean.
Do you clean the whole house?
No, I don't want to spend my whole Saturday cleaning.
Good decision.
After that, I usually make another coffee.
Another coffee?
It is Saturday.
And what do you do while you drink it?
Sometimes I read a book, sometimes I listen to music, and sometimes I do nothing.
Nothing sounds pretty good.
On weekends, it is. I usually tidy the house in the morning.
You don't stay inside all day, do you?
No, I usually go out in the afternoon.
Where do you go?
It depends. Sometimes I go to a cafe. Sometimes I go shopping. But I really like going for a walk.
Do you take Kekemu with you?
Of course.
I think he has been waiting for you all morning.
He probably has.
Where do you usually walk?
In a park or somewhere quiet with trees.
How long do you walk?
Usually 30 or 40 minutes.
Do you listen to music?
Sometimes. But when I'm with Kekemu, I usually leave my headphones at home.
Why?
I like listening to the birds and the sounds around me.
That sounds relaxing.
It really is.
In the afternoon, I usually go for a walk. Do you usually see your friends on weekends?
Sometimes.
What do you do together?
We usually meet for coffee or lunch.
Do you like busy cafes?
Not really. I prefer small, quiet places.
What do you talk about?
Everything.
Everything?
Work, travel, food, plans. Sometimes we just talk about funny things that happen during the week.
Those conversations are the best.
Yes. You look at the time and suddenly 2 hours are gone.
Do you meet friends every weekend?
No. Some weekends I don't want to go anywhere.
What do you do then?
I stay home and enjoy some quiet time. Sometimes I meet my friends for coffee.
Okay, now it's Saturday evening. What happens next?
Dinner?
Do you usually cook?
Yes, usually something simple.
Like what?
Pasta, soup, vegetables, maybe a sandwich.
Nothing difficult.
Exactly. I don't want to spend 2 hours in the kitchen.
What do you do after dinner?
I usually watch a movie or a series.
With snacks?
Maybe.
That means yes.
It usually means yes.
Do you go to bed late on Saturday?
A little later than during the week.
Midnight?
Sometimes.
1 in the morning?
Sometimes.
2?
Mark,
Okay, I'll stop.
I try to go to bed before midnight.
The word try is doing a lot of work there.
Yes, it is. On Saturday evening, I usually watch a movie. Okay, enough about me. What does your Saturday look like?
Mine is a little different.
What time do you wake up?
Usually around 8.
Earlier than me.
Yes, I like quiet mornings too.
What do you do first?
I make coffee and breakfast.
Good answer.
Then I usually go grocery shopping.
Every Saturday?
Almost every Saturday.
Do you like grocery shopping?
More than cleaning.
Fair enough.
What do you do in the afternoon?
I like being outside.
Sometimes I go for a walk. Sometimes I take my camera and take photos.
What do you photograph?
Trees, streets, buildings, anything interesting.
And in the evening?
I cook dinner and usually watch a documentary.
So we do different things.
But our weekends are both pretty relaxed.
We both like quiet weekends. You know, Sunday feels different to me.
Different how?
Saturday feels fun and free. Sunday is quieter.
What do you usually do on Sunday morning?
I stay home. I make breakfast and take my time.
Another slow morning?
Definitely.
What about Sunday afternoon?
Sometimes I prepare for Monday.
What does that mean?
I choose my clothes,
I check what I need for the week.
and sometimes I make a small plan.
Very organized.
Only for about 20 minutes.
Do you go to bed earlier on Sunday?
Yes, usually around 10:30.
Because Monday is coming.
Don't remind me. On Sunday, I get ready for the new week.
Let's slow down and practice a few useful weekend sentences.
I usually wake up late on weekends. I take my time in the morning. I go for a walk in the afternoon. Sometimes I meet my friends for coffee. I usually watch a movie on Saturday night. On Sunday, I prepare for the new week.
And here is one very useful question. What do you usually do on weekends?
You can say, I usually relax at home. Now it's your turn. Just use simple English.
First question. What time do you wake up on weekends?
You can say, I wake up at 9.
What do you usually do in the morning?
I have breakfast and drink coffee.
Do you usually stay home or go out?
I usually go out. Or, I usually stay home.
And one last question. What do you usually do on Sunday?
I relax and prepare for Monday.
Nice. 4 simple answers are enough. So, Jessica, what are you doing now?
It is Saturday,
Yes?
so I think I'm going back to bed.
You got up 20 minutes ago.
Exactly.
That is not a routine.
It is my weekend routine.
Okay, I can't argue with that.
What about you? What do you usually do on Saturday?
Write one simple sentence in the comments.
Keep practicing your English a little every day.
See you in the next conversation. Bye.
Bye!